Round fruit trapped inside a rectangular box is not a snack. It is a structural crime scene. Welcome to the autopsy of agricultural structural design. Geometry hates nature, but it absolutely worships profit margins. Let us talk about load distribution. A sphere rolls, it wobbles. It creates dead zones in a pallet. You stack round fruit, you get a pyramid collapse. Nature designed the watermelon to survive falling from trees, not to survive a forklift. Enter the square watermelon. 1975. Hokkaido farmers, glass boxes. Gravity does the heavy lifting. The fruit grows against rigid constraints. It literally shapes itself into a cube. It is not magic. It is applied pressure. Cubic volume efficiency is a supply chain superpower. Every wasted corner space in a round fruit is lost revenue. Square melons interlock. They eliminate air gaps. They turn a chaotic pile of fruit into a solid, load-bearing wall. Thermal efficiency drops when you have uneven surfaces. A cube cools uniformly. A round melon creates hot spots in the middle of a crate. In a refrigerated container, that hot spot is the difference between fresh produce and fruit salad. Now let us autopsy the modern alternative. Eco-friendly packaging. Cardboard, cornstarch foam. It sounds noble. Structurally, it is a skill issue. You put a heavy melon on biodegradable packing peanuts, and you get a wet, mushy disaster. Those air pockets are not sustainable. They are latency. They delay cooling. They multiply handling time. You think you are saving the planet, but you are just creating a logistical bottleneck. Weak design choices kill supply chains faster than a rusted hinge. Square melons are necessary absurdity. They cost $1,000 in the grocery store, yes. But space is not free. Transport is not free. Every wasted cubic inch demands a toll. We trade yen for geometry, and honestly, it is a bargain. Let us talk about sheer force. When a forklift lifts a pallet, the bottom layer takes the brunt. Round fruit distributes weight unevenly. The center cracks. The edges bruise. A square melon channels that sheer force directly downward. It is structural engineering you can eat. Inventory management becomes a nightmare with irregular shapes. You cannot automate a warehouse with round fruit. Robots need predictable bounding boxes. Square melons play nice with computer vision. They tell the robots exactly where they are. No guessing, no colliding, so why do we need them? Because the modern food system is a high-speed train. You cannot run high-speed logistics on bumpy tracks. The square watermelon is the rail tie. It holds the track together. It is ugly. Maybe. It works. Absolutely. Stop romanticizing the round fruit. It is an evolutionary relic, a slippery, rolling liability. The square watermelon is the future. It is dense, it is efficient, it is unapologetically geometric. If your packaging cannot handle a cube, upgrade your design. The cube is not a gimmick. It is a triumph. It survives the stack. It cools fast. It fits the box. Next time you see a square melon, do not laugh. Salute the logistics. Comment below if you would pay for the cube, or if you are still stuck in the sphere era. Drop a comment. That is the autopsy. Geometry wins. Profit follows. Nature adapts or it rots. Hit subscribe for more chaotic engineering breakdowns. Tell me in the comments, sphere or cube. I already know the right answer. See you in the next one.